This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Every time I go to Ikea, I discover something that makes me go, wait, since when does Ikea sells this? And today I'm showing you 10 Ikea products you probably too didn't know existed, the things you probably walked past by 100 times without noticing. I'm on, this is my doggo Mars, and that there is Zara. Hi Zara. So as always guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video from us again. It's me and the whippets now. Let's go! Now let's start with something that genuinely surprises people, and that is the TOLLSJÖN Kitchen Faucet with handspray. I feel like most of us don't even consider Ikea when it comes to fixtures, but this one actually looks so high-end. This black polished metal finish gives that bold modern kitchen vibe. It feels sleek, intentional, and just way more custom than you'd ever expect from Ikea. Not to mention the detachable handspray, which is just so practical for washing and rinsing. All in all, such a quality product that has 10-year warranty and is such a great Ikea gem. The next Ikea hidden gem I have for you is one for the sushi and Thai food lovers, and that is this chopstick holder set. I mean, I had no idea Ikea sells chopstick holders, and I just gotta have this ASAP. We are actually ramen lovers in our household, and I just cannot even count the times a chopstick has rolled away and stained the tablecloth. However, with these holders, you will get a place to put them while making everything feel so elevated and just so thoughtful. I love the blue pattern, it adds so much personality to the table, and is one of those details that makes you feel like you are in a restaurant, not at home eating ramen. Loving this so much. Now the next gem is one for your wardrobe, and that is the KOMPLEMENT Pull-out hanger for pants. And although this one is primarily made for the PAX wardrobe, not many people know that it actually will fit most wardrobes and is such a game changer when it comes to organizing your pants. I just hate folding and stacking trousers and yoga pants since they will turn into a pile so fast. However, by using this sturdy trouser hanger, you will have an easy overview and create a well-coordinated solution with a built-in filling. It definitely makes your closet feel more boutique and less chaotic, and it's one of those quiet upgrades that make daily life feel way more organized. Now, speaking of storage, the UPPRÄMEN storage basket is another one that definitely doesn't get enough attention. It feels like one of those pieces you buy just for storage and then end up loving because it actually makes your space look better. This basket works beautifully as a personal caddy, keeping track of everything from cosmetics and brushes to clips and tweezers without turning your counter into chaos. The handle makes it easy to carry from room to room, and the built-in partitions with the small tray keep everything neatly in place so you're not digging around for the one thing you need. It's practical, but it still looks calm and just put together sitting out in the open. Now, before moving on to the next Ikea hidden gem, let me tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Starting a website can feel so overwhelming. However, Squarespace makes the whole process so simple and so approachable. They have this massive library of gorgeous, professionally designed templates for literally every style and purpose. Whether you're a photographer, small business owner, or just want a personal blog, there's something for everyone. You just pick one you love and customize it to make it yours. Another amazing thing about Squarespace is their email campaign feature, which lets you stay connected with your audience by sending beautiful, branded emails directly from the same platform. No jumping between different apps or services, which makes everything super easy. Plus, with their analytics dashboard, you can actually see what's resonating with people, which pages they're visiting, where they're coming from, and all that good stuff. So if you're ready to build your own website, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our Ikea gems. Now this next find surprises people every single time, and that is the VITTSJÖ Desk. The VITTSJÖ line is usually always associated with the shelves, but this desk is just such a hidden gem on its own. First up is just $99 for a desk that looks so good. The combination of black metal and glass gives it that light, almost airy look that works especially well in smaller spaces. It doesn't visually block the space the way solid desks do, so your home office will still feel so open. If you like minimal setups or you're working with limited square footage, this is one of those pieces that just works. Now, an Ikea find that's such a gem, and it's almost invisible, literally, is the MELLÖSA Picture ledge. This is such a cool option for layering art and prints without adding visual heaviness to your walls. It works especially well in smaller rooms. It makes your art look like it's floating. It's subtle, flexible, and looks so incredibly good. Plus, it gives you the option to swap out your art without making extra holes in the walls, which I'm all for. But what I especially love about this one, and I think is such a hidden gem, is the fact that it can also be used for displaying decor, skincare in the bedroom, and even for organizing your spices or books in the kitchen. Because it's transparent, everything is visible and easy to grab, and it doesn't add visual heaviness to the walls. Plus, it's such a simple upgrade that makes such a huge difference. Now, if you know me, you know that I can never make an Ikea list without including at least one light. And this time is the BACKSTÖRN LED pendant lamp. Not only does this one look stunning and feels way more architectural than people expect from Ikea lighting, but it also has so many functions I'm obsessed with. This light is dimmable, so you can completely shift the atmosphere from bright and functional during the day to warm and cozy in the evening, which instantly changes the mood of the entire space. And the fact that you can adjust the direction of each light adds another layer of flexibility. You can angle it to focus more directly over a dining table, spread the light across an island, or just highlight a specific area depending on how you use the space. And by turning the shades, you can get a different look too, and I'm just obsessed with it. The next Ikea gem I have for you is the LUFTTÄT 3-piece bar set. Now, this one is for those of you who suddenly decided they're cocktail persons. You pull this out and instantly it's giving I know what I'm doing vibes, and I just love it. Plus, I had no idea Ikea was selling a bar set, and this one looks really good. The cocktail set has everything you need to be creative and mix great drinks. Plus, the leak-proof shaker looks so good, and it's just so easy to open and to pour from thanks to its strainer, and the wooden muddler just makes everything easier to mix. It's not just tools, it's main character hosting energy and makes even a random Tuesday drink feel like an event. Loving it. Now, the next gem is something so adorable and also not typical Ikea product, and that is this 3-piece nature exploration set. This is such a fun little set for kids. It has magnifying glass, tools for exploring, and all in those playful green and orange tones. It's one of those hidden gems you'd probably walked right past, but it's actually such a fun thing to have for outdoors. It's playful, curious, and makes going outside feels like an adventure instead of just a walk. I love things that encourages noticing things, tiny bugs, leaves, and little details you'd normally ignore. Plus, this set is small, affordable, and I just can't wait to get it for Leto. And last but not least, plant people, this one's for you, the DOLKFISK Plant Starter Set. This one is for when you are in your I'm growing things era. There is something so satisfying about watching roots form and new leaves appear, and this keeps that process looking clean instead of chaotic. No random glasses, no mismatched jars, just a neat little setup that feels intentional. This set turns plant propagation into a tiny design moment instead of a clutter situation, and I just love it so much. The clear and off-white combo keeps everything looking neat, and again, another Ikea find that makes basic things look so aesthetic and intentional. And that's a wrap for today. So tell me, which one shocked you most? Did you know Ikea sold facets, bar sets, nature exploration kits? Let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know if you want another part, because honestly, Ikea hides so much. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. I'm posting every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. And of course, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Guys, can we just state the fact that Zara and Mars are both in this video? I just cannot get over this. I thought this would never happen since Zara is just such a rascal. But she's sleeping at the moment, so it went great for the first time. Zara was amazing. Let's go. Let's go check them out. Hey little beauties, how are you? You're both resting. Zara, how was the first time on camera? Are you camera shy? You're not shy at all. I know you're not shy at all. You're such a beauty. You're such a beauty. You're such a little beauty. Guys, should we make this setup like a usual? Oh, Zara. You're such a pretty girl. And Marcy boy right here. Just sleepy as always. Oh my god, guys. I'm just so happy with this setup. I'm so happy and grateful to have both Zara and Mars. And Zara is just so happy to be here. Right, Zara? Love you guys. See you next week. Bye.